Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dan, and I am joined by Larry Kuhn. And Larry is the Microsoft person that first showed me the meeting details function. And he will be covering some different features that we can use in OneNote 2016, as well as the UWP, or Universal Windows Platform app. Okay, today I'm joined by Larry in person, and Larry is the one that I learned the OneNote 2016 tip of pulling in meeting details and starting to capture meeting details within OneNote. Thanks for joining me, Larry.
Hey, happy to be here, Dan.
So this is what I'm used to, is OneNote 2016, and I might choose to take my notes with my my pen, stylus, in my own handwriting. But we were just talking about some ways that I might be able to try something a little different.
Yeah, so the OneNote team, it has a kind of a long-term plan to retire the OneNote 2016 app and replace it with the OneNote UWP app on Windows. And you know, they work pretty similar, and you can use them side by side. And I think it's a good idea to do that so that you can get familiar with the new UWP experience. It's there are a few things that are a little different, but using them side by side will help you make a gradual transition. So
Cool.
that's what I'm going to show you here. So go ahead on your start menu and just type OneNote there. And as you can see, there are actually two options in your start menu. So we want to click on that second one there without the year designation on the end.
And it's got the new icon too, right?
Right, got the new logo, so it's ready to go. So
nice.
When you first launch it, you might have to open up your notebooks, so you're on the track there.
And this is my tips and tricks one.
Now each application is managing synchronizations separately. So you just made some updates over in the 2016 version. Not sure if those synced yet. Oh, they did.
Yeah, they did. Cool.
So now you can make edits over here in the UWP app, whatever you like. You can use the pen if you want to keep doing that, or type text.
And you were telling me that there's a way to pull meeting details from within OneNote, right?
Yeah, in the UWP app, the way to add meeting details is a little bit different than we saw before. So if you go to the insert menu.
Okay.
Yep, and then you'll see meetings detail option there.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
Yeah, and this will read from your Outlook calendar on the server once you sign in, and you'll be able to choose your meetings, and it'll create a page there for you.
Okay, so that's not coming from Outlook, that's coming directly from the server. That's why it had me sign in.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, cool. So if I wanted to pull like the details from this meeting, yep, with our discussion and starting point, I could do that from here. Awesome.
Right. Yep.
Awesome.
And then if you switch back to 2016, hopefully that would be oh, we might have, there it is.
There it is.
A minute for the sync, and you can see that the notes are in sync in both places. So you can just alternate one to the other and learn the new one gradually.
Awesome.
Over time.
So a way to wean myself off the old and start experiencing the new.
There you go.
And I can still take meeting notes with the new app.
That's right.
Thanks so much. That's your tip for Thursday, May 30th. Thanks, Larry.
You bet.
I want to thank Larry for joining me, and thanks to you for watching. We'll be back next Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everyone.